What's going on, everyone? It's Jeremy with JMed's Brick Clicks. I got this in the mail today, and yeah, I got it from Amazon. You can see Amazon Fulfillment Center right there. They shipped it with just a label on it, and I'm glad I don't really collect boxes for the most part. I collect very, very few boxes, but yeah, there's our other sticker. I'm surprised. I mean, you can tell what it is. It's not like you're trying to hide what it is, like it's anything different. Nice box damage. I'm surprised it made it. It's as crappy as the delivery service has been nationwide, with stuff getting lost. How this made it, I don't know. I got it on a great deal from Amazon. I think it's regular 180 bucks. I got way, way less than that. So, yeah, I guess get what you pay for, maybe, but I still got the set. So, I mean, I guess in the end, in a month from now, when I throw the box away or burn it, one of the two, it doesn't matter, but still, Amazon, really? You ship what is, I mean, actually still on lego.com, $180 set, and you just put a label on it. That's a load of crap. Anyway, I figure let's open it up. It's got punch tabs, so since the box is already mangled, yeah, it doesn't really matter if we tear it up or not. Let's see what's in it. So you can see this unboxing. And it's like one little thing fell. I don't know what this is. Oh, the note saying at some point in the future, we're going to start packing our stuff in paper. But not yet. Not today. Just waste more paper telling us we're going to do that in the future. Okay. I do like this. Lego started doing this with the Monkey Kid sets. Was the very first one I got, where the instructions are protected. I do like that, so that's a huge plus. You also put your sticker sheets in here. I don't know if they're stickers or not. Yes, there is. There's a sticker sheet. So there's our sticker sheet. Oh yeah, our plaque piece, which there's a few stickers that are there that probably could have just been prints. Okay, what do we got here? Our booklet. Oh, I was hoping there'd be a Decepticon on the back. Wonder if we'll ever get any more. I don't think this sold as well as people thought. And yeah, I was really hoping for a Bumblebee or a Megatron or Starscream. Maybe not Starscream because of the military jet, but something. But yeah, there we go. We've got all kinds of little notes and stuff about the build. Let's see if we have any. Oh, that's cool. Any special information? There's a history of Optimus. There's our builder. Man, imagine how many times this was taken apart, put back together just to make all these hinges and stuff work. So there's what he looks like. We'll get him built, have him ready for a future video. I think, looking at some pictures, he's pretty much the same size as the buildable minifigure or the buildable pirate minifigure. So that's what I'm aiming for. Here's bag one. All right, let's check on one other truck. We'll keep this just as a truck type video. So I got another little truck. Okay, so the second part of this little video, it's this little truck. Now, the original part of this truck has, I think it was a mail away. I really need to find the paperwork. You had to mail away for this to get it. And I've modified it a little bit so it doesn't look like the actual set. Here's part of the original set, which basically just went right there. You can see the color. All I did was change it to red. I would love to change this piece to red, but it does not exist in red. There's like trans red and trans whatever colors for all the space sets. I think there's blue and white, but there is not a red. One of the basic 1970s Lego colors, and that doesn't exist in red. I guess because there really wasn't any red classic space stuff, so there was no need to do that. I don't know. Anyway, so that's why that's black. We added a new front end. So the original front end was this, which kind of just slopes down too much. So adding this on here, it just adds a little bit more beef to the truck. You can see our driver, Clint, which we've named him. And you'll be seeing a lot more of this truck around the city here over the next few months. I've actually started a Lego Shorts series for this, Adventures of Fireball, the truck, with Clint driving it. So we'll see him around the city, maybe in the farm, doing some jobs, getting into some mishaps or adventures. So yeah, figure every city needs a character of some kind. So I think that's what I'm going to go with. So he's going to be one of my main characters in my city, at least. Well known. And yeah, I need to build a trailer for him for sure. I know I need to build a flatbed because that's probably what he's going to haul mostly. Maybe some tractors or farm equipment, or who knows? Maybe some classic cars, some of the Speed Champions cars. You can see this truck pulling a Lamborghini down the street on a flatbed. That might be pretty interesting. Anyway, I think that's all for today. I just wanted to do this unboxing of my Optimus. I'm seeing a piece right in here. So we do have one printed piece at least. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna get building this, and yeah, that's my next build. The set's got 1,500 parts, so I think I need to get going on it. And we'll get him back in the city, get him placed, and get another short going. And yeah, I think that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.